Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off music on Royal Match. So open your Royal Match application and make sure that you are logged into your game. Here I'm already on my home page of Royal Match. From the main home page, tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner. This will then open up the settings tab. Right where you see the music option, if you tap on it, you'll be able to turn on and turn off music on Royal Match. Under music, you'll be able to toggle the button and turn the music off. Make sure that the music tab is labeled as off, and that should be able to turn off music on Royal Match. That is how you can easily turn off music on Royal Match and enjoy the music-free experience. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.